Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to create a directory, or in Windows you call it a folder, on the Windows desktop. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine called create directory. And I want to create the directory on my Windows desktop, so I'm going to create a scalable variable, a scalar variable, called my path, which points to that. So that's going to be c://users. Okay, that's my desktop path on Windows. It won't be your desktop path, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path, because if you type in this code here, it will throw an error. Okay, so now we're going to do chdr, which is change directory, and we want to change directory to this path here. So we want to be in this directory, so that will do it for us. And now we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what's going on, and that's just going to be creating directory. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause there for 1 second, so we use sleep here. So that's going to pause it for 1 second. So it makes it look like the program's working. Then we use mkdir, make directory. Then in here we're going to type in the directory name. Well, it can be anything, can't it? So I'm going to type dir in uppercase. So that's going to be the name of our directory. And then we're going to print out some information to the user. Directory created. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program here, so we call it create directory, like that. Save it, and we're going to run it in our terminal here. So we do that by typing Raku first, and then the name of the program. So my program is called new.raku. Hit enter. Creating directory, directory created. Now the directory created should be called dir. So let's go and check that out on my desktop. And there we go, this is the directory. So, there you go folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.